Yan, mekos well guys. Yan, mga insan guys. Do not skip the ads guys, mga insan. Do not skip the ads, mga insan. Hi guys, John Mar here. Welcome to my channel. So what's up guys? How are you guys? Ito po matagal na tong naka-stack sa akin. Ngayon, lulutuin ko na guys. Crab and corn. Tagal-tagal na rin ako hindi nakatikim na itong Knorr soup. Crab and corn. Chinese style soup. Ayan guys. Okay guys, let's cook. One direction, huh? How to cook. Okay guys. 4 na tasa raw. 2 3 and 4. Okay, on natin to. Takpan muna natin hanggang mag-boil. Sabay. Ayan. Ayan na guys. Ubusin natin. Ubusin natin yan guys. Mekos na yan guys, mga insan guys. Ayan guys, oh. Tapos takpan natin guys hanggang mag-tornado na yan guys. Oh my god guys, sarap yan guys. Okay guys, wait natin mag-boil guys. Mix na natin guys. Ayan guys, mekos na yan guys, oh. Tornado na yan guys. Tornado na yan. Mekos na soup. Guys, mix well guys. Mekos well guys. Mekos pen guys, ha. And mix mekos well guys. Mga insan guys. Do not skip the ads guys, mga insan. Do not skip the ads, mga insan. So please subscribe and tap the notification bell guys. Cover muna natin guys. O nga pala guys, mayroon akong vegetables dito guys. May mekos ko rin ng vegetables yan guys. Ito guys, oh. Yes guys, mekos with vegetables guys. Pag kulang ng water guys, bahala na kayo, dagdagan nyo ulit ng water guys. Tornado yan guys, oh. Bahala na kayo, dagdagan nyo ng water kung pagkulang pa sa inyo ng water guys. Yan, lagyan na natin ng vegetables guys. More vegetables. Healthy yan guys. Okay guys, ha. Yan, oh. Mekos yan, todo na yan guys. Tornado yan guys, oh. Tornado na guys. Gusto ko pa isahog yung tumitilawak na manok dyan sa labas guys. Tamang province guys. Province life guys. Mga lods, ha? Please do not skip the ads guys. Yan guys, oh. Yummy. Yan guys. Yummy. Cover muna natin ng konti guys. Cover muna ulit. Ayan guys, nagbo-boil na, super boil na yan guys, oh. Mekos power, tornado, over na yan guys, sobra na yan guys, oh. Ayan guys, oh. Testing natin yung soup guys. Testing natin kung kailangan pantimplahin guys. Kasi baka mamaya tumabang na guys. Ayan, testing natin, mainit guys. Off muna natin guys. Off. Ayan guys. Testing natin yung lasa. Baka mamaya matabang guys. Ayan guys, testing natin guys. Oh. Testing. Yum yum yum. Grabe naman yan guys. Sobra na yan. Grabe na mga insan. Sarap guys. Sarap. Yum. Ito non-stick po to ha. Non-stick frying pan ha. Kaya pero kailangan siguraduhin natin kay mekos pa more kasi non-stick nga yan. Pero medyo dumidikit guys. Kaya mekos pa more yan ha. Ha? Ayan ha. Oh ha. Ayan guys. Ha. Okay, nahigop na tayo ng appetizer natin guys. Tasa muna guys ha. Tamang appetizer lang tayo guys ha. Appetizer muna guys. Ha. Ayan guys oh. Ako sa mood mag-cook guys, kaya tamang appetizer, higop muna tayo guys ha. Ayan guys ha. Oh. Ayan guys, ang sarap niyan guys oh. Super yan, grabe na yan, tornado na yan guys. Hey! Lutong rice cooker. Fried chicken sa rice cooker. Yan po ang aking fried chicken sa rice cooker. Lutong bahay, fried chicken sa rice cooker.